Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor, GCA अजमेर। आज हम इकोसिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Ecosystem consists of all organisms, physical environment and their interaction. Abiotic and biotic parts are connected with each other. Energy flow and nutrient cycle. Energy transfers sets foot in system through photosynthesis and accumulated in plant tissue. Herbivores animal feed on plant and transfer energy from one step to another, that is primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. It also affects quantity of plant and microbial tissue. Decomposers release carbon back to the atmosphere and promote nutrient cycle by changing nutrients in dead mass to the environment. These again can be used by trees, plants and microbes. This is the figure showing forest ecosystem. This figure shows biomass pyramid. On the lowermost level, producers green plant 1000 kilogram, and the second level herbivores 100 kilogram. Primary consumers are on the third level, that is 10 kilogram, and 10 top consumers are on the top level, that is 1 kilogram. Now comes components of ecosystem: abiotic factors, biotic factors, autotrophs, producers, and heterotrophs, consumers. Abiotic factors are light, temperature, soil, etc. Biotic factors are plants and animals. Autotrophs are producers, that is plants, and consumers, heterotrophs are consumers that consume plants. Aquatic ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem, lentic ecosystem. Lentic ecosystem means standing water. Lotic ecosystem means running water. Pond, river, shallow water ecosystem, deep water ecosystem. These are the types of ecosystem. Other type of ecosystems are rainforest, tundra, desert. Forest are the other type of ecosystem. Now comes trophic level of an ecosystem, food chain and food web in an ecosystem. Trophic levels. Trophic levels are different levels of food chain, food web. Producers at lowest level, that is first level of food chain. These are producers. They make their own food. Consumers, primary consumers. This is the second trophic level, and they consume the producers. Plants को ये eat करते हैं, plants को खाते हैं. Secondary consumers. This is the third trophic level. Consume primary consumers. Quaternary consumers. Organisms eat carnivores. Depend on secondary consumers for food. Decomposers, these are most important. Different level, help breaking waste material and convert them useful nutrients for plants. Decomposers जो है वो dead animal और plants को useful nutrients में convert करते हैं. Scavengers break organic material into small pieces. Decomposers eat dead material, break into small chemical part. Animal and plants use these nutrients. Decomposers clean dead plants and animals. This image shows trophic levels. First trophic level, producers. These are green plants. Second trophic level, herbivores. They depend on green plants for food. Third trophic level, carnivores. They depend on herbivores or animals of second trophic level. Fourth trophic level or top consumer or top carnivore depend on Third trophic level or carnivores for food. This image shows food chain. In first food chain, trees are the producers and deer is dependent on plants and lion eats deer as its food. These are different trophic levels, trophic level 1, 2 and 3. In second food chain, number 1 flowers, then insects, then frog, snake and eagle. In last food chain, flowers or aquatic plants, fishes depend on aquatic plants and then large fish eat small fish and birds eat small fish and large fish. This is food web. This image shows food web. When 2 or 3 food chains are interconnected, then this is called food web. In this, 4 food chains are interconnected. Corn, grasshopper, rat, python, flowering plant, butterfly, dragonfly, wolf, eagle, mangoes, fruit fly, thrush, eagle, lavender, butterfly, dragonfly, eagle. These are different food chains and these food chains are interconnected with each other. Now comes abiotic components, functions of ecosystem. Ecosystem regulates essential ecological processes, support life system, renders stability. इकोसिस्टम जो है वो इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस को रेगुलेट करता है. साइक्लिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स बिटवीन एबायोटिक एंड बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स. न्यूट्रिएंट्स की साइक्लिंग होती है एबायोटिक और बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स के बीच में. बैलेंस अमंग डिफरेंट ट्रॉफिक लेवल्स. साइकिल्स मिनरल्स थ्रू बायोस्फीयर. एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स synthesis of organic components that exchanges energy. Food chain. Sun gives the energy which is consumed by plants. Photosynthesis. Plants are eaten by primary consumers. Secondary consumers depend on primary consumers for food. Then tertiary consumers depend on secondary consumers for food. And then top consumers. Now comes ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramid is graphical representation of number of energy levels and biomass of trophic levels. Food web, when 2 or more food chains are interconnected, then food web is formed. This is all about ecosystem. Thank you.